Hi, this show is going to be about my wig. Yeah, and it does look bad because I haven't worn it since like Halloween last year, 2007, so it looks weird. But this is going to be different because I'm going to put a Webkinz under this wig. Actually, not even a Webkinz because that's kind of boring. Well, you know what? Yeah, I'll do Webkinz. So, let me put the Webkinz under the wig. Here's the wig. Now you can guess what Webkinz is under the wig. Okay, so here it is. Here's the wig. There is it. It actually looks really kind of shiny, but I didn't brush it out very much. So there's the wig. It's kind of curly. And so guess which Webkinz is under the wig, and the first to guess it will get a prize worth $100, 100 Kinz cash. Okay? So, bye.